Hello Scouts and welcome to Scouting at Home. For today's activity we're going to be learning about contour lines. These are the lines that appear on maps that give you an indication of the height above sea level and also how steep or how shallow a hill may be. Being able to understand these lines goes a long way towards being able to read a topographical map, and it also helps you to plan your course when you're planning a hike or other journey. To do this, we're going to be making a miniature mountain out of clay or Play-Doh, but don't stress, if you don't have any, we've included instructions for how to make that also. Once you've got your clay or your Play-Doh, we're going to make that mountain, cut it into layers, and trace each of those layers to show us just how a three-dimensional object can be represented in 2 dimensions on a map. Stick with us, and there'll be more to follow after this to show you just exactly how to do it. Good luck and good scouting.
Hello, I am Alex, and today I am making Play-Doh for our Play-Doh contour mountains. Today we'll be using 8 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, a tablespoon of oil, 60 milliliters of water, and some food coloring. Firstly, we need to mix our salt and our flour. Once suitably mixed, you can move on to mixing your oil, a tablespoon of oil, 60 milliliters of water, once that is finished, add some drops of food coloring. Once that is done, we'll add it to the flour mixture. Now we mix till it turns into a smooth dough. If this dough is too dry, add a few drops more water. Now we've finished mixing it and it's turned into a good consistency. We want to add some flour to our work surface and rub it out. Now we've done that, we want to push our dough out onto the side and knead it till it is a smooth Play-Doh-like consistency. Remember to have some flour on your hands and nearby in case your dough is sticky, so it won't stick to your hands, and you can add more flour if it's too sticky. Now you can see our dough has a nice smooth consistency. This is what you'll want when you start building your mountain. Once you have made your mountain, put it in the fridge for a few minutes to cool it down so it hardens, and this makes it easier to cut. When you're cutting, have 2 pencils either side so you can have an even distance each cut, and use a piece of fishing wire to cut through. Now you've got your slices, get your piece of paper and trace your lines.